Happy days, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. We've got the Tilraid album out, which means we're looking for coins that we found in as change. We've gone into shops and asked, or for picture 50p's, picture £2 coins. I've been given them by family and friends. Now let's have a look what we're needing. It's the usual suspects really. It's the Commonwealth Games for the £2 coins, which is Northern Ireland, Wales and Scotland. And on the other page we need a Mary Rose and a King James Bible, and then that's that really. Every time I open this book I still love the Trinity out. It's so crisp and clean, it really is. Okay, that's it for the £2 coins. Flip over to the 50p's because we do the whole lot in one video, and we've got the King of Coins down there, or the Queen, which is Kew Gardens. Okay, and then we've got a boatload of Olympics and more Olympics, but we're still missing a few, which is football and handball and obviously triathlon. And that is that for the Tilraid book. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Let's find a space. There we go. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit, and then let's see where we go from there. So let's check out these 50p's. Now we've got a 2020 50p, and this is a Diversity Built Britain. Now I used to have a tally chart for these, see how many we could find, but there seem to be, well, the 10 million minted, or over 10 million, and yeah, we'll not bother keeping them anymore, or even logging how many we find, because we're finding absolutely tons of them. And this is Victoria Cross the medals. Now there is a 2019 version of this that we're putting the sets, the 50 years of the 50p set, and we got the Gill Guardian one, didn't we, last year from my local Sainsbury's. This is a 2018. This is a representation of the People Act. It looks like someone's defaced that one with some crayon, which is quite cool. Very cool. Okay, a 2017, and this is Benjamin Bunny. Now there's a rotation error known on this one, but this is not it, and I assume that there will be a rotation error on all the high minted coins. In fact, even low minted coins have got rotation errors if you just look. I think 2015 Britannia, the £2 coin, is known for rotation. But I'll be signing this one and sending it back into the wild. So if you do find one with a squiggle on there, it's Master Temple on there, or Happy Days or something like that. But yeah, if you do find any like that, or any coin that's got a squiggle on, I'm part of CoinTuber Central, which is a Facebook group, and I'll try and get a link in the description for that Facebook group. Just let us know on there. That'd be fantastic. There's all kinds of coin collectors and coin tubers on there, and it's a great place to be, and the social media side of things. Okay, now we've got Christopher Collects Ironside there, and Christopher Collects Ironside is also a part of CoinTuber Central. There we go. Okay, 2020, what's it going to be? Is another Diversity, so we'll pop that up there again. Just super more common than the People Act. Okay, and what's this one? This is the last 50p. Well, we've had a duck before, and this is a 2016 Battle of Hastings. We've had a duck. We've had Peter Rabbits. So it's 50p, and we've had Kew Gardens, obviously. So as luck can't continue, you gotta have the bad days to appreciate the good, right? Okay, so let's get on to the £2. Okay, this says £2 on the Queen's side, and it is First World War Lord Kitchener. Really nice coin, but very common, so we won't keep him. And it's not the mule error, obviously. Okay, another one which says £2 on the Oddverse, and it is another one which you could get an unusual design for, the Act for the Abolition of the Slave Trade. Now this has got a orange peel effect on there, but you could get one which has got a smooth finish and the designer's initials just down below the 7. This is not it. Okay, let's move on. Now this is a very shiny, very sharp. Let's see if it'll focus. Very sharp, very shiny. William Shakespeare's Comedies. There's so many of these about. This is like absolutely mint fresh. You know, I might have to see if it's an album upgrade. I don't know. Probably said that a few times and gone back and upgraded the album. I do that sometimes if I've got, you know, on my Big Daddy album. I sometimes do that. Okay, so we've got a 2016, and it's a Britannia. What a lovely coin, what a lovely design. But yeah, it's getting there, isn't it? You know, I'm seeing a lot of those lately, the 2016 ones, and then possibly the better coin of this hunt seems quite. I'll have to do some investigating in this. Anyway, it is Auld Lang Syne, Robert Burns. 2009, a vintage year for coin collecting, and slightly over face value. Though whether I'll keep this one or not, I don't know. But that's it. Sometimes you don't get the grand coins that you're after. Sometimes you do. But I don't know whether, you know, 50p wise is a bit of a washout really. But £2 coins, which one would be your favourite out of these three? Let me know, and let me know what you found in your till raids or your coin hunts this week, because I always love listening to your stories of what you've found and what you've collected this week. So let me know down in the comments. But until next time, take care of yourself, stay safe, and as always, have this an happy day. I said